Okay, so when our cells are not in that inner phase, right, they're going to undergo that mitotic phase. So that's going to be the cell division phase, right? So there's 4 parts to this, so from the beginning to the end. So the first part is called prophase. So what we're going to see here, and I'll show you in a picture in a second, our chromosomes are going to condense in the center and become rod-shaped. Each chromosome is going to have a chromatid and a centromere, and you're going to see this. Our nuclear envelope, that house, disappears. And the centrioles inside the cell are going to start moving to the opposite end of the cell. So let's look at this picture. So here we have prophase, right? So what we can see, again, right, is our chromosomes are here in the middle, right? So there they are, lining up. Our microtubules are coming in, right, helping set the stage for that division. Our centrioles have moved to opposite, right, polar ends there. This is what it looks like inside the cell. So here's the plasma membrane, right, all the way out here. And you can see the chromosomes are definitely clustered there in the center of that cell. And then the nuclear envelope disappears, and that's what this blue thing is supposed to be representing. It's starting to disappear. In metaphase, those chromosomes are going to line up at the equator, so line up along the center, and we're going to have a centromere that's going to attach itself to each one of these spindle fibers, right? The spindle fibers are helping it move across. So here you can see your chromosomes are all lined up there in the center. You have these spindle fibers, which remember are helping move things across. You got your centromere located right here. Okay, this is what it looks like in real life, right? So you can see those chromosomes are all lined up. This is so cool, right? You can see all those spindle fibers. It's pretty hard to see the centromeres in these pictures, but you can see all that other stuff. It's pretty cool, right? Your centrioles are going to be over in this region. Pretty neat. Moving on to the next phase, this is anaphase. So in anaphase, now we're separating, right? We're breaking those chromosomes, right? We're breaking that 46 to the 23. So here, right, half of the chromosomes are going to go in one direction and half is going to go the other. So you can see those spindle fibers are physically kind of pulling those chromosomes apart from each other, and you can really see that in this picture here. I think this is quite beautiful. So you've got so you've got one copy over here and the second copy over here. And you can see those spindle fibers, right, really tugging on those chromosomes. And then the last phase is telophase, where now we're going to start to see that nuclear envelope come back, and it's going to envelop each one of these sides. So now we've got one cell over here and one cell over here, and those spindle fibers are going to start to disappear. The chromosomes are going to uncoil. Right now they can rest, and they're going to be housed nicely and neatly inside that nuclear envelope. And that gives us 2 cells, right? So that's kind of cool. And also at this time we get what's called cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is dividing that cytoplasm, right? So remember the cytoplasm, right, is that plasma-like material that's sitting here. Well, now that we've got 2 cells, we've got to divide it in half. So there we go. There is chapter 3.